Hello everyone, welcome to Current Affairs Today. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 15 MCQs of 10th of July 2021. But before we begin, quiz. Defense Secretary Ajay Kumar has launched which version of Directorate General National Cadet Corps mobile app training recently? Who has become the first Malayali poet to win ONB Literary Award? Which company is planning to come out with India's largest initial public offering worth of 3 billion? Qazi Nasrul Islam, whose 122nd birth anniversary was observed recently, is known as National Poet of which country? PharmEasy has acquired which online pharma platform for an undisclosed amount? Who has become the third policeman from Maharashtra to climb Mount Everest? Which state has launched Ankur scheme? GI certified Shahi Lychee, which was exported to United Kingdoms, is cultivated in which state? Who has become the first woman flight test engineer of India? Who has given additional charge Directorate General of National Investigation Agency? So these were some of the quiz questions from the month of May, and let's discuss the answers. So Defense Secretary Ajay Kumar has launched a mobile app called Version 2. Version 2. The Malayali poet name is Vaira Murthy. Vaira Muthu. Which company is planning to come out India's largest initial public offering 3 billion? This is Paytm. Paytm. Qazi Nasrul Islam, 102nd birth anniversary was observed, known as the national poet of Bangladesh. Bangladesh. PharmEasy recently acquired the MedLife. MedLife. Who has become the third policeman? So this is Shambhaji. Shambhaji Gurau. Ankur scheme has been launched by Madhya Pradesh. Shahi Lychee exported to UK is cultivated in Bihar. In Bihar. Who has become the first woman test flight engineer? This is Ashrita Oleti. Kuldeep Singh. Kuldeep Singh has given the additional charge for National Investigation Agency. So let's discuss about today's current affairs. First, commercial shipment of Mishri variety of which fruit has been exported from Kashmir to Dubai? So this is cherry. So cherry is a variety of fruit which has been exported from Kashmir to Dubai. From Kashmir to Dubai. Indian Army has named military firing range located in Gulmarg after which actress? So this is after Vidya Balan. After actress Vidya Balan, Indian Army has named the firing range after Vidya Balan, and in which was held in Gulmarg. Where in Jammu Kashmir a model anti-rabies clinic has been opened. So this has been opened in Doda district. In Doda district of Jammu Kashmir, model anti-rabies clinic has been opened. Who is the author of the book India to the Rescue? India to the Rescue. This book has been written by Sushant Singh and Shruti Rao. So the answer is A, both B and C. Sushant Singh and Shruti Rao has written this book India to the Rescue. Where is the world's third largest cricket stadium is being built? So world's third largest cricket stadium is to be built in Jaipur. Is to be built in Jaipur. First largest is Narendra Modi Stadium. Narendra Modi Stadium in Motera, which is in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, and the Second largest is uh, Melbourne Cricket. Melbourne Cricket Stadium. Cricket Stadium. These are the first and second, and the third is to be built in Jaipur in Rajasthan. Who is the Chief Minister? Ashok Gehlot. Ashok Gehlot, and who is the Governor? Kalraj Mishra. Kalraj Mishra. Who has been appointed as the CEO of Waze, a crowd-sourced navigation app and the subsidy of tech giant Google. So this is Neha Parekh. Neha Parekh has been appointed as the CEO of Waze, a crowded sources of navigation app. So Neha Parekh, important. Health Minister has launched which informational video series on its social media platform. So the social media platform is COVID COVID Gurukul. COVID Gurukul has been launched by the health minister, our health minister, and which is an informational video on its social series. And who is the health minister? Health minister now is Mansukh Mandavia. Mansukh Mandavia, and he is also the minister for chemical and fertilizer. Chemical and fertilizer. So remember both. He has health minister also, and he is chemical and fertilizer minister also. And COVID Gurukul. COVID Gurukul. Richard Donner, who passed away recently. Who is he? He is a filmmaker. He was a director, and he was a filmmaker, and he recently passed away, and he was a Hollywood director. Hollywood director. Which among the following in partnership with Aditya Birla Finance Limited has partnered with Postpaid Mini to provide small tickets instant loan? So this is Paytm. So Paytm in partnership with Aditya Birla Finance launched this Postpaid Mini to provide small tickets instant of loans. And who is the founder? Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Vijay Shekhar Sharma is the founder of Paytm. India is building a mega ISRO ground station in which country? For ASEAN countries. For ASEAN countries. So India is building mega ISRO ground station in Vietnam. In Vietnam, and the currency of Vietnam is Dong. Hanoi is the capital. Hanoi. And who is India's ambassador to Vietnam? Pranay Verma. Pranay Verma is India's ambassador to Vietnam. And who is the Prime Minister of Vietnam? Pham Minh Chinh. Pham Minh Chinh. And who is the president? His name is Nagon Phuong Phuc. This is the name of the president, and Pham Minh Chinh is the Prime Minister of Vietnam. And ASEAN Summit will take place 2 times a year. This everybody knows. 2 years, two times a year. 2 times a year. And if you talk about ISRO, who is the chairman? K. Sivan. K. Sivan is the chairman. Bangalore is the headquarter. Bangalore, and Bangalore is known as Space City, Garden City. And ISRO has launched 3 satellites called Prana, Vayu, and Swasth. These are the three ventilators has been launched by ISRO, and ISRO is doing a solar mission with NASA. ISRO and NASA, they are doing a NISAR mission. They are doing NISAR mission, and sounding rocket. ISRO's sounding rocket is RH560. Sounding rocket name is RH560. And LUPEX mission, one more is there. LUPEX mission. This is NISAR mission is doing with NASA, and LUPEX is ISRO is doing with JAXA, Japanese Space Agency, JAXA. This is LUPEX. You should remember. Which ministry has been created by Modi government for realizing the vision of Sahakar Se Samriddhi. Sahakar Se Samriddhi. So this is Ministry of Cooperation. Ministry of Cooperation. And who is the minister for this? Amit Shah will be the minister. Amit Shah will be the minister, and his constituency is Gandhinagar. Gandhinagar. Ministry of Cooperation has been created, and Modi's constituency is Varanasi. Varanasi. Legendary actor Dilip Kumar passed away recently. His full name is, what is his real name? His real name is Yusuf Khan. Is Yusuf Khan. So, and his first film was Jawar Bhatia. Jawar Bhata, which was released in 1944 before independence. Jawar Bhata is the first film. Legendary actor Dilip Kumar passed away. Which app has been launched by Ministry of Fisheries, Husbandry and Dairy for the Indian aqua farmers? So this app is Matsya Setu. Matsya Setu app has been launched by Ministry of Fisheries. And if I ask you who is the Minister for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy, so he is Purushottam Urupala. Purushottam Rupala is the Minister for Fisheries, Animal Husbandry and Dairy. And remember one more, India's first Aqua Pharma call center was opened in Vijayawada. India's first Aqua Farmer call center. India's first Aqua Farmer call center was opened in Vijayawada, which is in Andhra Pradesh. Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of Khadi Prakartik Paint? Khadi Prakartik Paint, and the ambassador is Nitin Gadkari. And he is the Minister for Road Transport and Highway. Road Transport and Highway, and his constituency is Nagpur, which is in Maharashtra. Narayan Rane is the MSME minister. Earlier, he used to hold MSME. Now, Narayan Rane is the new minister for MSME, and the chairman of KVIC, Khadi Village Industrial Corporation, is KVIC, Vinay Kumar Saxena. All India Weather High-Tech Tunnel connecting Kozhikode and Banihal in Jammu Kashmir will be opened soon. What is the length of this tunnel? So the length of this tunnel is 8.5 kilometer. 8.5 kilometer, which will connect Kozhikode and Banihal in Jammu Kashmir, which will connect Kozhikode and Banihal in Jammu Kashmir. Remember, one more tunnel is there. More tunnel is also in Jammu Kashmir, and Zojila tunnel is also there. Zojila Tunnel, which is 14.15 kilometer. Zojila Tunnel. Recently, they have launched Tejaswini scheme. Tejaswini scheme, which will provide a financial assistance of 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees between the age of 18 to 35 years. 18 to 35 years to start a business. To start business. And there is one village in Jammu Kashmir called Wayan, and it has become the first village in India to 100% vaccinated adult, to be 100% vaccinated for adults. And हमारी सड़क तामीर तरक्की ऐप has been launched. हमारी सड़क तामीर तरक्की app has been launched by Jammu Kashmir government. And there is one Darbar Mu has been cancelled. Darbar Mu has been cancelled recently. And who is the governor of Jammu Kashmir? Manoj Sinha. Manoj Sinha. There is one bank, Jammu Kashmir Bank. R.K. Chibbar is the chairman. R.K. Chibbar is the chairman of Jammu Kashmir Bank. So, a lot to know about Jammu Kashmir. So, these were the current affairs of 10th of July. I will see you on 11th of July.